Okay, so here's the one we did in class and took a quiz on. Everybody got right. So hopefully this will be easy on test day. I'm not going to do it with a model set because I'd have to record, a video of me building a model or something, I guess. And so I'm gonna go as if I can see this. I am going to point out that the person that's off to the left can see that first carbon. First, that's going to be carbon number 1. So you know what? I am going to draw this on my whiteboard. It's just too convenient. Technology these days is unbelievable. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I am going to draw this here. I'm going to say this person can see this carbon first, right? That's carbon number 1. And so that's carbon 1. And I can see these are eclipsed. So I'm going to draw carbon 1 first. And then I'll draw carbon 2. And carbon 2 is going to be like that, right? So I'll choose this. I'll choose that framework right there. So carbon 1 has a methyl group coming off to the, oops, let's do that in red. Carbon 2, or rather 1, carbon 1 that we're looking at. It's actually not carbon 1, it's carbon 2. I can see now that it's a butane. But it's got a methyl group coming off here, which makes this carbon 1 now, right? That's carbon 1. But still, we can call that carbon 1 for the sake of just our reference. It looks like there's a chlorine going up, right? And it looks like there's a hydrogen going off to the left. Okay. And now let's look back at the second carbon, which we've got written in blue over here. It looks like it's got a hydrogen going off to the right, and off to the left is a methyl group, and up top it's a bromo. Okay, so I think I can do that. On the screen itself, we got up here, it's a chloro, and here was a bromo, right? Those are both pointing up. I don't want the caps lock. Bromo, and off to the left, it's a methyl group, but I have to say C, right? Because Alex wants me to demonstrate that I know that what is bonded to what. And here's a hydrogen, and here's a CH3. Okay, let's check that. I think we're good. Okay, let's try one more. I think that maybe, yeah, this is the only way these are drawn. So now the person's off to the right and looking at this. And so carbon 1, but this one's staggered. Okay, but it looks like the one that's closest to them, like the carbon that's closest to that eyeball, right? It's got the 2 coming out at the bottom. So to that person off to the left is a CH3. Right? And off to the right is a hydrogen. And up, pointing up, is a bromo. Okay? Now to that person off to the left is a chloro. You may need to build a model for this. And pointing down is a hydrogen. Okay? So yeah, you bring your model sets to this exam. Hopefully that question will be super easy. Good luck.